Hello everyone, and welcome back to NextGen ICT. If you're new here, this channel is all about learning technology and web development step by step in a simple and practical way. This is HTML Day 3, and today we're going to talk about something very important: HTML structure. In this lesson, you'll learn what HTML tags are, what elements mean, and how we structure text properly on a web page. This is where HTML really starts to feel like coding. So, let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly recap. In Day 01, we learned what HTML is and why it's called the language of the web. In Day 02, we set up our tools, installed VS Code, and created our first HTML file. Today, we build on that foundation and learn how HTML content is actually written and organized. Let's start with a simple question. What is an HTML tag? An HTML tag tells the browser what type of content it is reading. It tells the browser, this is a heading, this is a paragraph, or this is important text. HTML tags are written inside angle brackets, less than and greater than signs. For example, the paragraph tag looks like this: P tag. When the browser sees this tag, it understands that the content inside should be treated as a paragraph. Tags are not shown on the page, and only the content inside them is displayed. Most HTML tags come in pairs. There is an opening tag and a closing tag. The opening tag starts the paragraph, and the closing tag ends it. The closing tag looks almost the same, but it includes a forward slash. This tells the browser exactly where the content begins and where it ends. If you forget to close a tag, the browser can get confused and your page may not display correctly. This is one of the most common beginner mistakes. Now, let's talk about HTML elements. An HTML element includes the opening tag, the content, and the closing tag. Together, these form a complete element. For example, H1 is the opening tag and Hello World is the content and the H1 closing tag. This entire line is called an HTML element. So remember, a tag is just the label. An element is the complete structure. HTML provides 6 different heading levels. They are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H1 is the largest and most important heading, and H6 is the smallest. Headings are used to organize content, just like titles and subtitles in a book. You should always use headings in order. Don't choose headings based on size. Choose them based on importance. This helps with readability and search engines as well. To write normal text in HTML, we use the paragraph tag. Each paragraph automatically starts on a new line. If you just want to move to the next line, you can use the line break tag. And if you want to separate content visually, you can use the horizontal rule tag. These two tags do not need closing tags. Use them carefully. Don't rely on them too much for layout. HTML also allows us to format text. Some commonly used formatting tags are: B is for bold text, I is for italic text, U is for underlined text. HTML also provides semantic tags. Strong is for important text. EM is for emphasized text. These tags not only change how text looks, but also describe its meaning. This is better for accessibility and SEO. Let's quickly talk about some common mistakes beginners make. Forgetting to close tags. Using too many BR tags for spacing. Using headings only to make text bigger. HTML is about structure, not design. Design will come later with CSS. Now it's your turn. Try this. Add one heading. Write 2 paragraphs. Use bold or italic text inside them. Pause the video and practice. This is the best way to learn. Today, you learned what HTML tags are, the difference between tags and elements, how to structure and format text in HTML. You are officially writing real HTML code now. In HTML Day 4, we'll learn about HTML attributes and how to add more power to our tags. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and join the journey with NextGen ICT. See you in the next lesson.